All right. Good day. Here is another important question. Want to deal with this question in a simpler way that you will understand. The question says, find the other angles of the quadrilateral below. The other angles here, there are two angles. They did not mention, but if you look at it very well, you will agree with me that this is one of the angle in question, y degree, and 2x. So, y and 2x are the two angles in question. But before we find these two angles, there is need for us to know the value of x. And we are going to approach this question from this straight line. Solution. We have a straight line from this shape, like this. This is x, and this is y. And we say angle on the straight line, the sum of angle on the straight line is equal to 180 degrees. So for that reason, we are going to say y plus x is equal to 180 degrees. Sum of angle on a straight line, or straight line angles. Is that taken? Now, why doing this? We have x here, and y and x are two different, or they are different variables. We have to go with a variable to know the value of one, of which, since we have x here at the exterior angle and also one of the x as interior angle, we are going to make use of x. And that is why we'll isolate y. Isolating y, we have y equal to 180 degrees minus x. It means that the value of y is already 180 degrees minus x, but a partial value, because x is still yet to be known. So for that reason, we are now going to do something. The sum of angle of any quadrilateral is added up to 360 degrees. And for that reason, we are going to say y plus 40 degrees plus, remember here is 90 degrees, plus 90 degrees plus 2x. We equate it to 360 degrees. I told you the reason. Sum of angles of any quadrilateral is 360 degrees. But remember, our y is already 180 degrees minus x. So in place of y, we'll put this. And we have our 180 degrees minus x plus 40 degrees plus 40 degrees plus 90 degrees and plus 2x equal to 360 degrees. So what we do here is to add all the numbers, and then the letters is matter of rearrangement. So we have our 2x minus x, and then plus 180 degrees plus 40 degrees plus 90 degrees equal to 360 degrees. 2x minus x will give us x alone, and then we add 40 plus 90 will give us 130 degrees, and 130 degrees plus 180 like this will give us, we add this become 11, write down 1, carry 1, is 310 degrees. all in degree. So we have plus 310 degree equal to 360 degree. We are going to subtract 310 degree from both sides. And for that reason, we have x equal to 360 degree minus 310 degree. The value of x is now what? 50 degree. Now we've known the value of x to be 50 degree. We are going to now know the original value of y, because I told us that this is a partial value of y because x is unknown. For that reason, we say therefore our y is equal to 180 degree minus 50 degree. 180 degree minus 50 degree will give us what? 130 degree. This is the original value of y. It means that we have known one of the angle remaining this very one. So we say therefore for this 2x is another angle that we are left with to know. We are now going to multiply it. What is the value of x? Is 50, right? The value of x is 50. So we have 50 degree. You multiply 50 by 2. What do you get? You have 100 degree. So this is 100 degree. It means that the other angles are the 130 degree and the what? 100 degree. So these are the two angles. By the time you add 40 to this y, which is what? 130 degree to 90 and then to 100, you ended up having 360 degree. You can check that on your own and drop your answer at the comment section. Thank you.